the vision of God, recorded here, to whom love commits me here. Ever this day, be at my side, tonight and forward, true and guide. Amen.
Good morning, grade 3.
Good morning, teacher.
Again, good morning, grade 3.
Good morning, teacher.
Okay, it seems that some of you doesn't have an energy, so I have here an energizer to boost your energy. Do you want to dance?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, let's dance. Let's do the steps and on the screen. So fine. Okay, energy, grade 3. Let's make it faster, grade 3. Faster, grade 3. Faster. Did you feel energized?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. You may take your seat, but before that, pick up the piece of paper under your chair and arrange your chair. Who among you know our classroom rules? Can you give me one, Princess?
Raise your hand if you want to answer.
Okay, very good. Another, Ivy.
Always be kind.
Another one, Precious.
Be quiet.
Okay, very good. I have here a classroom rules. I read it first and you follow. Classroom rules.
Classroom rules.
Always be kind.
Always be kind.
Respect your teacher
Respect your teacher
and your classmate.
and your classmate.
Be quiet.
Be quiet.
Raise your hand
Raise your hand
if you want to answer.
if you want to answer.
Listen attentively.
Listen attentively.
So this is the classroom rules that we need to follow all throughout our discussion. Did you know that the water is the only substance that can be found as solid, liquid, and gas at the normal surface temperature and pressure in the earth?
No, teacher.
Okay. Water can be a solid when it turns into an ice cube, and ice cube turns into a liquid when it's melt, and water turns into a gas when it's evaporate. Did you understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. So let's have a short recap about last topic yesterday. Did you know what our last topic yesterday? Okay. I have here an activity to make sure that you understand object. Okay, very good. Come here in front and write your answer in the blank.
Math teacher.
Okay, very good. Do you think that the answer of Princess is correct?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. Who wants to answer number 2? Ivy Ann? But before that, please read the question number 2.
The space that a material occupies.
Okay, come here in front and answer the question. Okay, class, do you think that the answer of Ivy Ann is correct?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. Who wants to answer number 3? Precious, come here in front. But before that, please read the question number 3. The force of the gravity
The force of the gravity
acting on an object.
acting on an object.
Okay, come here in front and answer the question number 3. Okay, class, did you think that the answer of Precious is correct?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. Who wants to answer number 4 question? Please, Ivy Ann, read this first. The unit of measure
The unit of measure
of mass and weight.
for mass and weight.
Okay, please come here in front and answer the question. Okay, class, did you think that the answer of Ivy is correct?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. Who wants to answer the last number, which is number 5? Okay, Princess, read it first.
The unit of measure for volume.
Come here in front and write your answer. Okay, did you think that the answer of Princess is correct?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. It seems that you understand our last topic yesterday. I have here a real object, and all you need to do is to observe it quietly. So this is the object that I have. So you may observe it one by one. Okay. You may pass it to your classmate and observe that object. And also I have here a picture of that. Okay. What did you see? What do you think is the object that I'm going to observe you? Okay, Princess?
Stone, pot of water, and balloons, teacher.
Okay, very good. Are you familiar with them?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Which of them are were touched? Which of them that can we touch? Can we touch and see? Okay, Princess?
Stone, pot of water, and balloons, teacher.
Okay. Can you touch the stone?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Can you touch the water from the plastic bottle?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Can you hold it?
Yes. No, teacher.
Okay. No. We can touch water, but we can hold it. Very good. The air from the balloon. Can you touch it?
No, teacher.
Okay, we can touch it. And did you see the air from the balloon?
No, teacher.
Okay, no. What do you think is the color of the stone?
White, teacher.
Okay, white. And what is the color of the water?
White, teacher.
What is the shape of the water? Princess?
Based from the container, teacher.
Okay, it is based from the container that it holds. And what do you think is the color of the balloon? Okay, Princess?
Orange, teacher.
Okay, orange. It seems that, okay, which of them they can flow? What do you think? Which of the object can flow? Ivy and?
Water, teacher.
Okay, water. Which of them are not able to see and touch? Okay, Princess?
Air from balloon, teacher.
Okay, very good. You want to know more about it?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. What do you want to know more about it? Yes, Princess?
How can we classify objects or materials as solid, liquid, and gas?
Okay, very good. Can you write it here in front? There. Okay. We will answer that question later in our discussion. Okay, can you read it, Princess?
How can we classify objects or materials as solid, liquid, and gas?
Okay, very good. All together, we can read it. How can we classify
How can we classify
objects
objects
or materials as solid,
as solid,
liquid, and gas?
and gas?
Okay. So I have here an activity. I will group you into 3 groups. This will be the group 1, the group 2, and the group 3. So, the direction of the activity. But before that, I have here a rubrics. Presentation is 5 points. Information, 10 points. Time management, 5 points. In the total of 20 points. So, the direction of the group 1 is classify the observable characteristics of these 3 matters. Put a check mark on the item has definite volume, definite shape, and indefinite shape, and definite volume and indefinite shape. For the number 2, classify the observable characteristic of these 3 matters. Put a check mark on the items has a definite volume and definite shape, and indefinite shape and definite volume, and indefinite volume and indefinite shape. For the number 3, classify the observable characteristic of these 3 matters. Put a check mark on the item has a definite volume, definite shape, and indefinite volume and definite shape, and indefinite volume and definite shape. But before you proceed on your respective groups, anyone who wants to tell me a group rules? Princess, you want to
Cooperate with your group mates.
cooperate with your group mates. Anyone? Ivy?
Be quiet.
Okay, very good. And you, Precious?
Respect the ideas of your classmates.
Okay, very good. Now you may proceed to your respective group. And you have a 5 minutes to do your activity.
matters. Put a check mark on the items that has definite volume, indefinite volume, and indefinite shape, and indefinite shape, and indefinite volume, and definite shape. Here is our answer. Material, stone. Our answer is definite shape and indefinite volume. Number 2, water. Our answer is definite shape and indefinite volume. Number 3, smoke. Definite shape and indefinite volume. Number 4, cell phone. Definite shape and indefinite volume. Number 5, oil. Definite shape and indefinite volume.
Okay, very good. Please observe the materials that I give you after the discussion. Now, Princess, what did you observe on our object?
The stone teacher, it is hard, which is it is solid.
Okay.
While bottled water, it has a water inside the bottle that is called liquid.
Okay.
And the balloon, it has a air inside the balloon, and it is called gas, teacher.
Okay, very good. Based on the activity that you answered, what is the material that you give its characteristic on number 2? Number 1, rather. Princess?
Stone, teacher.
Okay, stone. Do you think that the stone have a definite shape?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, it has a definite shape. What do you think is the shape of that stone based on the objects that I give you? Okay, Albian?
Round, teacher.
Okay, very good. It's round. Okay, now what do you think is the texture of that stone? Princess?
Rough, teacher.
Okay, rough. Do you think that the stone has a volume?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. It has a volume. What do you think? Why do you think it has a volume? Anyone who wants to answer? Yes, Princess?
The volume of the stone,
Yes.
because stone, it has a definite volume and definite volume and definite shape.
Okay, who wants to repeat the answer, Princess? Yes, I be Anne.
Definite shape and indefinite volume.
Okay, the volume of the stone is definite shape and definite volume. Therefore, what is the observable? Therefore, if an object has a definite shape and definite volume, what do we call it?
Solid.
Okay, Anne, raise your hand if you want to answer.
Solid, teacher.
Okay, very good. We called it solid. Again, what do we mean? Okay, what do we mean when we say based on the object that I gave you. Yes, Ivy Ann?
It has shape, color, texture, cluster, bouncy, odor, and taste.
Okay, very good. Your answer is correct. So, the answer of Ivy Ann is correct. You may read this. I'll read it first and all you follow. The observable characteristic of solid. It has a shape, color, texture, luster, bouncy, odor, and taste. Okay. Precious, can you read this?
Observable characteristic of solid. It has a shape, color, texture, luster, bouncy, odor, and taste.
Okay, very good. Your answer is correct. Now, how can we classify objects, Princess?
We can classify objects solid based on their characteristics, teacher.
Okay, very good. Again, what do we mean by solid? Princess?
We can classify solid based on their characteristics.
No, my question is, what do we mean by solid?
Solid, it is observable characteristics of
Solid has a definite
volume and definite shape, teacher.
Okay, very good. Solid, it has a definite volume and shape. Okay, very good. Now take a look at the activity of group 2. What is the material that you give characteristics based on the number 2? What is this? Water. Very good. What do you think that water has a definite shape?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. What is the shape of the water? Yes, Ivy Ann?
The shape of it is based on the shape of the container.
Okay, very good. The shape of the water is based on the container. Like this bottled water. Okay, very good. Do you think that the water has a volume? Yes, Princess?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. Why do you think it has a volume? Yes, Ivy?
The volume of the water is definite shape and definite volume.
Okay, very good. Therefore, if an object is a definite shape and indefinite volume, what do we call it? Princess?
Liquid, teacher.
Okay, we call it liquid. Okay. If a liquid can flow and does not have a specific shape, therefore, what is the observable characteristic of liquid? Anyone? Okay, Princess?
The observable characteristics of liquid are no definite shape and has definite volume feature.
Okay. Okay, very good. Again, can you read this? The observable characteristic.
The observable characteristic
Of liquid are no definite shape
are no definite shape
and it has definite volume.
and it has definite volume.
Okay, very good. Now, how can we classify an object? Yes, IBN?
Based on their characteristics.
Okay, we can classify objects based on their characteristic. Okay, now take a look at the activity of the group 3. What is the material that you gave it characteristic based on the number 4? Yes, Princess?
Balloon, teacher.
Okay, balloon. Do you think that the air from balloon has a definite shape?
No, teacher.
Okay, no. What is the shape of the air from the balloon? Yes, Princess?
It has no shape,
Okay,
teacher.
it has no shape. Do you think that the air from the balloon has a volume?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. What do you think is the volume of the air from the balloon? Anyone who wants to answer? Yes, Princess?
The volume of the air from balloon is defined as the space occupied by their gaseous particles at standard temperature and pressure conditions, teacher.
Okay, very good. Therefore, what is the observable characteristic of a Okay, what do we mean when we say definite shape and indefinite volume? What do we call it? Yes? Precious?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, we call it gas. We call it gas. Okay. What do we mean by gas again? Yes, Princess? Yes, Ivan?
Indefinite shape and indefinite volume.
Okay, the meaning of the gas is indefinite shape and indefinite volume. Now, what is the observable characteristic of gas? Who wants to answer? Anyone? Yes, Princess?
Can you repeat, ma'am, the question?
What is the observable characteristic of gas?
The observable characteristics of gas, they are easy to compress, they expand to fill their container, and they occupy far more space than the liquid and solid from which they form.
Okay, very good.
gas.
Okay, very good. The three matter that we discussed is solid, liquid, and gas. Now, how can we classify solid? Yes, IB Ann? How can we classify solid? Yes, Princess?
We can classify solid by their shape, color, texture, luster, bouncy odor, and taste picture.
Okay, very good. How about the liquid? Yes, Precious?
The observable characteristics of liquid are not definite shape and has definite volume.
Okay, very good. How about the gas? Yes, IB Ann?
It can classify the observable characteristics of gas. They are easy to compress, they expand to fill their container, and they occupy far more space than the liquid and solid from which they form.
Okay, very good. So I have here a video, and all you need to do is to watch it carefully because I'm going to I have a question later. Okay. Okay. Watch the video.
Kilalanin natin ngayon ang mga iba't ibang bagay na solid, liquid, and gas. Ang solid ay ang mga bagay na nakahawakan. Mga bagay na madaling nahahawakan at may mga kulay, may hugis, yung iba may matigas at may malambot. Ang bulak ay malambot. Meron din matigas. Tulad nito, isang mesa. Ang mesa ay matigas. Ang mga kagamitan na sulit ay maaari natin lagyan ng iba't ibang bagay. Katulad na lang ng mga bote ng alcohol, bote ng tubig, lalagyan ng tubig, at lalagyan ng kulot. Uulitin ko po, ang sulit ay mga bagay na madali natin mahahawakan. Ito ay may anyo, may hugis, at may iba't ibang kulay. Liquid. Ang liquid ay hindi natin nahahawakan sapagkat ito ay mabilis na tumadaloy at bumabasa sa ating katawan. Ang liquid ay nangangailangan ng mga paglalagyan kung saan natin ito ililipat. Pagmasdang matigil ang mga kagamitan na ginagawa ko tungkol sa liquid. Halika! Gas. Ang gas ay isang bagay na hindi natin nakikita gamit ang ating mga mata. Hindi rin ito nahahawakan. Ang gas ay tinatawag natin lobo, o gulong ng sasakyan. And that's all for today. Bye-bye. See you in the next video.
Okay. Now, can you give me some example based on the video that you've watched? Give me some example of solid material from the video. Yes, Ibian.
Tape.
Okay, tape. Another one.
Dress teacher.
Okay, very good. How about the solid? The liquid, brother. Yes, Ivy.
Glue teacher.
Okay, glue. Precious, do you have an idea?
Alcohol teacher.
Okay, alcohol. And you, Princess?
Joy teacher.
Okay, joy. How about the gas? Any example of gas? Yes.
Air teacher.
Okay, air. How about you, Princess?
Smoke teacher.
Okay, very good. It seems that you understand our discussion. Do you want to play a game? Okay, but before that, we're going to check your activity. Okay. Okay. Do you think that the answer of group 1 is correct?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Based on their presentation, I'll give them a 5 points. Based on their, for the information, 10 points. And for the time management, 5 points. And a total of 20 points. Can you give a clap of group 1? Who wants to give a clap to group 1? Okay, we do a clap of very good, very good. Demonstrate it and you follow. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good. Okay, we stand and do it. 1, 2, 3, go.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good. Okay, very good. How about the group 2? Do you think that they answer is correct? Yes. Based on their presentation, 5 points. Information, 10 points. Time management, 5 points. And a total of 20 points. Can you give them 5 claps? Do you think that the answer of group 3 is correct?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. Based on their presentation, I give them 5 points. Information, 10 points. And for the time management, 5 points. And a total of 20 points. Can you give them a 5 claps? Okay, very good. So, do you want to play a game?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. We were going to play a game. This is the It is, rather, it is a liquid.
Teacher.
What do you call it? It is a oil. Okay, very good. It seems that you understand our topic for today. I have a question for you. Now, how can we classify object based on its observable characteristics if it's a solid, liquid, and gas? Yes, Princess?
We can classify solid as the state in which matter maintains a fixed volume and shape, while solid have a definite volume and shape, and the liquid have a volume but take the shape of the container. Gases have no definite shape or volume feature.
Okay, very good. So, who wants to repeat the answer of Princess? Yes, Ivy Ann?
We can classify solid as the state in which matter maintains a fixed volume and shape. Solids have a definite volume and shape. Liquids have a volume but take the shape of the container. Gases have no definite shape or volume.
Okay, now can you read this? We can classify solid
We can classify solid
as the state of matter
as the state of matter
because it has a definite volume
because it has a definite volume
and definite shape.
and definite shape.
Liquid have a definite volume
Liquid have a definite volume
and indefinite shape.
and indefinite shape.
Gas is indefinite volume
Gas is indefinite volume
and indefinite shape.
and indefinite shape.
Okay, very good. It seems that you understand our discussion for today. Now I have here an assessment to make sure that you understand our topic. So I'll give it to you and you may pass to your classmate. Okay. Are you done?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, pass it here and front. Thank you. Now, can you get